Chile faces a catastrophic situation as a raging inferno, exacerbated by powerful winds and intense heat, engulfs the garden city. President Gabriel Borich has declared a state of emergency in the Valaro region, where homes are being rapidly destroyed and lives lost. The tragic events unfold amidst a heat wave, causing traffic jams on the main highway as holidaymakers flock to the coastal region. The government has implemented a curfew to aid emergency services and prevent looting. Arson is being investigated as the potential cause, emphasizing the urgent need to save lives and manage the escalating crisis. Chile is facing an unprecedented wildfire crisis, claiming the lives of at least 51 people and leaving many missing. The Valparaiso region is under a state of emergency, witnessing the destruction of thousands of homes due to extreme temperatures and powerful winds. Professor Mark Howan from the Australian National University emphasizes the climate change-driven nature of these wildfires, with central Chile experiencing significant drying out. The interview highlights the urgent need for global efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and local strategies such as enhanced fire warning systems to mitigate the escalating impact of wildfires. Subscribe to stay informed about the latest news updates, global events.